Scan from the HP DeskJet 2900, 4300, 5100, and 5800 printer series. To scan with your HP DeskJet printer, power on the printer. Lift the scanner lid. Place the document to be scanned print side down on the scanner glass. Align the document with the indicated corner. For models with a document feeder, load the document print side up into the feeder and adjust the guides to be against the edges. Scan from the HP app. If you do not have the HP app, you can download it for free from your App Store. Once you open the app, sign into or create an HP account. Select the scan tile on the My Printer screen. Adjust any settings you would like, such as scan size, quality, or color. Adjust the preset option depending on what you are scanning. Select Scan to begin the scan. When the scan is complete, select Edit to adjust the boundaries by dragging the sides of the image. Select Done to save the changes. To add additional pages, select the Add Scan option. When you are finished scanning, select the Save option from the preview window to save your scan. Choose the file name, type, and compression if desired. Then select Continue. Select the location that you would like to save your scan to. Scan using the HP Scan app. This step only applies to Windows computers. To download the HP Scan app, go to support.hp.com/drivers. Select Printer. Enter your printer model into the search field. Locate the Universal Scan option and select the Full Feature Software and Driver option to download. Open the file and follow the prompts to download the software. Once the install is complete, in Windows search for and select HP Scan to open the app. Select Scan a document or photo. Once the scan completes, adjust any settings you would like, based on your preferences. Select the file type you would like to save the scan as. Then select the location you would like to save the scan to. When you are done, select Save.